Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, in a long talk with Dogecoin bull Gary LaChance and Nadia Tolokno. Buterin's comment came when he was asked by LaChance how he felt about Doge. Buterin added, "I love Doge every day." LeChance is a co-founder of a decentralized dance party through which he aims to give away 1 million Dogecoin he owns since 2014. Kyle Kemper is a co-founder of a project which is the master plan to get the entire world dancing together. The game was created by LeChance, is a non-fungible tokens or NFT, Dogecoin, Pokemon Go like augmented reality, and Tamagotchi, virtual pets that rose to the heights of popularity during the 1990s. And in the hours of Tuesday, Doge traded 1.39 lower at 0.24 at a press time over 24 hours. The meme coin has declined 7.4 since the week began. Despite Doge's recent decline, the cryptocurrency has emerged as a force to be reckoned with, boasting its 4,954% year-to-date rise and a huge fan base that calls itself the Doge Army. This month, Buterin advocate for a collaboration between Ethereum and Dogecoin, and they are in talk with Lex Fridman and said he loves Doge. The Ethereum co-founder revealed that his 25,000 investment in Doge have resulted in a gain of $4.3 million. Manish.
Wow. So yeah,
Hi,
even
Lester.
initially when we invested it, we gain 4%. I think more than 4% we have we have got it, and it's surprised to know that more and more people are praising Dodge. I don't know what is the reason behind it.
Yeah, it's a joke of a coin. However, it
And
captured.
it gives a birth to many other meme coins, right?
Yeah.
Today my topic also, I'm going to cover something related to Dodge. Maybe I will be revealing later. Yeah.
Very nice. So yeah, I have something that I want to share. Let me just share my screen. So today, guys, I'm just going to cover something before I hand over to Manish. Basically on Pancakeswap. So I know this week has been around Pancake, right? So here at Coin Hako, I just wanted to share. Currently, myself and Manish, we invested in Pancakeswap. It's doing pretty well. We are getting maybe about 1 cake a day. We got in at about 12 US dollars. Today, it's doing at about 15 to $16. So that's a capital appreciation of the current coin. However, I'm getting. Sorry, can you hear me, Lester? Is it loud and clear? Let me just boost this up. Hi, welcome.
Hello, Swami. Good evening.
Awesome. Okay, so yeah, so Pancake, back to Pancake. Look at the historical data of Pancake. I just wanted to share. They started sometime in 2020. Nothing took off, but the adoptions, I think based on pooling, came in sometime in Jan to Feb. I think that's where we started to have that momentum of adoption. People start to know a lot about cryptocurrency, and it went up all the way to 41 US dollars. Today, it's trading about $15, right? So it is cheap to purchase. You need to buy BNB coins, convert that to smart chain, and then purchase the pancakes and put them into pooling, which Manish covered in the how-to section. So thanks, Lester. Thanks, Star Trek. So yeah, let me share with you the technical charts. I just took some time to do on Cake because I was, we invested in it and we just wanted to find out what's happening here. So based on the current charts, we have a low of 9. That's the support if it actually breaks the 13 around 13.196. The height is about 16.334, which we got rejected today. If we actually break that, we will start to see Cake going up to the run of 21 US dollars. If it drops, we will acquire more Cake at about 9 US dollars. The recently, I'm not too sure what happened, but recently I think myself and Manish got in at the right time. It was part of our research. We were looking for the best passive income that we can get, and we found this to be one of the best so far. We have tested it with our own money. The next one that Manish will be going in tonight is farming, because we are going to test that out with our own money to see how that actually produces and you know the cake that we can use to stake in Pancake.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, so looking very bullish here. You know, we have a lot of volume coming in. Currently now the market cap for Pancake will be, let's see what's happening on Pancake. We have 3 million. Is this million? Sorry, 3 trillion.
3
Billion.
trillion.
3 billion.
3 billion, yep.
3 billion, right? And currently 192 million in circulation. Right?
Yep.
So, good deal, guys. Check it out. Make a, you know, I mean, this is not financial advice again. We're just sharing what we are doing. So, trade responsible. That's all I have for the news and cake. Manish, over to you.
All right, thank you. Let me share my screen.
So while Manish sets that up, do join us daily 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Manish, back to you.
Yeah, I just shared the. Okay, so the new baby Doge in the market in born just 2 weeks ago. Baby Doge is a spin-off of Dogecoin, the meme cryptocurrencies. So the 2 weeks ago, Baby Doge was a lesser known cryptocurrencies, and now Baby Doge is trending on a Twitter. Thanks to Elon Musk, Dogecoin has a symbol of the Shiba Inu dog and its token. And this trend has picked up the momentum with Shiba Inu being its own cryptocurrencies and Baby Doge also using the same symbol. So let's go through the in detail about this cryptos because it's making some hype in the it's trending in a Twitter, and many of our friends also invested. Just to let you know, it's not a financial advice. I'm just going through with this project. We just wanted to explore more what this crypto into. Let's explore. All right, so this is the contract address. Probably you'll be able to see if you copy the address. You'll be able to see in the details in the BSC scan. So here you can see all the information.
Manish, can just zoom the screen if there's something.
Yeah, sure. I'm sorry.
We had a friend who invested $40 and made $1,000.
$1,000. So that's why I'm interested to cover this as well.
All these coins.
Okay, let's go through first. Okay, so these are the social media pages for this Baby Doge. Okay, and it's very fast. It hits its. If you see their social media presence, it's gone up like crazy. Let me show you. Okay, all right. So this is about this project. Let's go through what are this crypto offers. It offers auto manual burns. So we have the crypto was burned around 29% of the supply, and that means out of 5% of the redistribution. So that is 29% of the distribution in the wallet. It's dead. It has a reward holding. If you're holding it for a longer period, you're going to get it a 5% reward, and also going to reward you're going to get a rewards on the transactions. That has a locked liquidity, and that also into a charity wallet. So it takes care of all the dodges. I think I can show you their first charity partner is Pause with Cause. So Pause with a Cause works with 45 different shelters in USA. So they have very good presence in charities. Okay, so these are the tokenomics. You are going to get it 5% for each transaction added to the liquidity, and 5% of each transactions redistributed to the holders. So if you are holding it for a longer period, you are going to get a 5% as a reward. So let's go through their woof paper, which is their white paper. They call it
So
as a
cute.
woof paper. Yeah. So yeah, introduction. They have covered it very well and
Gotta zoom
very
in.
cute way. Yeah, it's so cute. If you see the page, right, it's so nice. It looks okay. Launch in 2021, as I mentioned. Look at that, guys. All the information's down here in this white paper. You will be able to get it. Terms and condition. You can follow the link and get the terms and condition informations. It looks quite legitimate, and their project also quite nice because they are also into swap. So the first meme coins to offer a live decentralized swap directly on our website. So it also offer a swap directly from their website. All right. They also have a wallet. They have a card pay
Wow.
directly from the credit card. You will be able to buy the crypto. They have a POW wallet. Okay. They have NFTs
Hmm.
and they have swag. Okay, so transparencies, these are their values, transparency. So each transaction and all the informations are transparent. They give full credits for their success to their communities. Uh, it's quite trustworthy and longevity. So that's all we have it for the contract portions, and other details you'll be able to see the transaction speed and trust wallet, the Binance Smart Chain numbers. Follow the link and you'll be able to access the more informations here.
I think
Okay, so
currently now there's a new news for Baby Doge. They're going to be listed, right, on Coinbase.
yeah, Coinbase has initiated a kind of survey where
Hmm.
you have to show the interest, and upcoming weeks they are going to list down. So as of now, people they are asking to participate in the survey whether how many people are interested on this Dogecoin. So
Ah,
when you
okay.
show the interest, probably they will be listing it.
Yeah.
So talk about ecosystem. Yeah, it's a community powered instant reward. You have it, as I said, 5% fee, locked liquidity pool, and all this reward and protocols information you will be able to see. Let's move on. Okay, yeah, accomplishment. Look at that.
This is their roadmap.
Yes, first 21 days, 250K holders in a month, 500
Wow.
million market cap, 85K Telegram members. My God, look at that. Look at the
Hmm.
support from a community. What they have it.
Yeah, I guess this is good for dog lovers.
Oh, look at that, Mr. Elon Musk. Tweet. Baby Dodge, do. Yes, that's the one. Okay, so these are their roadmaps. Phase one, website launch, 5,000 Telegram members, meme developments, baby Dodge was born. Phase two, influencer marketing push,
Hmm.
listing on a coin gecko. Already listing, I can see
Yep.
it's listed in a coin gecko.
Hmm.
Listing on a coin market cap, 25,000 Telegram members, and 25,000 holders. So this is pretty much on the phase two, and I can see the 80% of achievement they have already done it for this phase two. So these are the phase three. They are going to launch airdrop. Airdrop, those who are not aware, I've already covered in my previous videos. Okay, and this is their roadmaps. Look quite trustworthy, I
Yeah,
think.
I think trust also is subjective. So you can always check on the leadership, the team, the programmers. Some people go to the extent of looking at LinkedIn, to really find out whether these people are really passionate about technology and passionate about dogs in general.
Yes, and look at their audit. In first 21 days, if any cryptos is passing the audit, that's really nice and
Wow.
really good about that crypto.
Okay.
That means they have a potential.
Mm.
And look at that website overview, the contract, social media, team response, token distributions, top token holder wallet. So all this transparent they have given in their website. That's the best part about this.
Mm.
So website part two, checklist, responsive, no JavaScript errors, all the technical checks done, and all they are green. In the responsive part also they are green. General web securities, the security part they have already passed in. The contract side, the timestamp, overflow, integer underflows, all this call stack, depth stack, all been passed quite good. Social
Wow.
media,
Okay.
I think they got verified also their social media accounts, and this is their top token holders.
Hmm.
They'll not be
Okay.
revealing the names, but at least they have given a high level information here.
Hmm.
Burn address, then this is a second holder, was wallet containing 9.9% of the supply. So all these information you'll be able to see in the audit report. Okay, Desert Finance was verified, government issued ID by the founders. So quite transparent, and the informations are fully covered in their website. So look quite legitimate. That's what I can say about this. So probably I think I can try investing 100 $200 and see the performance. I just wanted to hold it for some times, but it's, of course, it's not a financial advice. But with the same name, guys, I just wanted to highlight there are some more websites are available. So please be careful. It could be scam. This is
Hmm.
the correct website address.
It's the official website. Okay.
Yes, this is the official website
Can
address.
we get the right information from CoinGecko?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So if you actually want to head over to find the right website, you can always use CoinGecko. It's a
Yeah,
trusted source.
CoinGecko. So
Okay.
I think
If you are watching us from Instagram, you can head over to the YouTube and Facebook, and you can post your questions there. Thank you.
yes, CoinGecko, it's already listed. That was their plan for phase two.
Yeah, Rahul, I think we will share it later in the Manish. We can share the link later in the Telegram group.
Yeah, sure. We
Yeah.
will
So for
share
those
in
who
the.
have not yet joined our Telegram group, you can head down to any of the channels. We are on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and I have placed the link there. So, with the link tree, you'll be able to find us.
Yeah. So in CoinGecko, you can see the website address over here, uh, the correct website address, and
Okay.
look at the price, guys. Is going keep on going 24.5% up.
I know Rahul is
It's just
interested in
launched. Yeah,
in
it's
new
just
coins.
launched 2 weeks. 2 weeks before. One of our friend, he just invested $40 and he made it $1,000. But doesn't mean that it should. You should also start investing it. Do your own research.
Yep. Yep.
Mm. So within 24 hours, it's 24%. So all this information you'll be able to verify here in CoinGecko, and in future, in what are the exchange it's going to be listed, you can get those information down here. Okay, that's all I have it.
Thank you, Manish.
Yeah.
Swami is saying he has a good profit yesterday. Awesome. Which coin? Do share in the chat. Okay, let me share my screen. We will go and see what's happening in the markets. A bit slow, guys. We're still in the 20s, right? We haven't. Let me share my screen. We haven't moved past the 20s. As you can see, we move out from extreme fear. We are currently still in the fear state, although the narrative of the news has changed to be a bit more positive with a few hackings and environmental issues. And of course, the attack on Binance from different countries and policy makers. But I think CZ is going more on the compliance side of things. So I think it's just a moment in time, and even BNB coins are still strong. So no effects there. This is the current max. Just to let you know, we have climbed, right? We are somewhere in the 20s. If you look at this junction here, this was during COVID, and we were low. This was sometime in 2020, but today we are climbing up. So let's see what's is going to happen in the next few months. Just for the newcomers, basically, when there's extreme fear, it could create buying opportunities when everybody gets too greedy, when the market is in the bull run, and it might be due for correction. So always have the opposite way of thinking. And, for us, myself and Manish, we bull or bears, we make on both sides of the coin. Maybe sideways we lose time, but as Manish has showed, if you are able to stick the using pancakes, even in the sideways of the market, we are making, right, Manish? No
Yeah,
issue
right.
there.
No issue with that.
Let's look over at the stock market. So the stock market currently, the VIX is a measurement of the fear, right? Basically using buying and selling. Again, this highest where we were at the fear about 80 was sometime during the COVID time. The pandemic started last year, and today we are back again. Like I always said, things are really good in the stock market. Companies have a very high PE ratio. Cheap money is fiat money is actually being flooded, so companies is taking that. If you watch one of our previous video, Michael Saylor was talking about using the cash and converting that to crypto, and it kind of 10x his entire company and changed his entire financial portfolio, which he hosted an event for 1,000 C-level executive to attend. And what happened was that 8,000 C-level executive came because they wanted to know how to really convert their financials using cryptocurrency, right? So that's something to take note. Let's look at the top 10. So today is a sea of green. Very happy for us. Bitcoin is still there and all the other coins following. If you look at the big block, again, dominance of Bitcoin, it takes about 50% of the 10,000 over cryptocurrencies, 384 exchanges. Ethereum is at 20%, so it's about 70%, leaving the rest of the 10,000 over coins in the rest of the 30%. So again, we always look at portfolios. So portfolio, normally what we do is 50% Bitcoin solely for the purpose of keeping. No, we're not going to sell that. And then the other 40% is mostly used for trading purposes. So you have Cardano, Ethereum, VET, Solana. These are some of the good coins to get in. If you don't know how to trade, you can always head back to root zones, where we've showed a few technical things. I think Swami recently asked, I showed him the Bollinger, so you know exactly where to buy and when to sell. So not rocket science, guys. The market has been around for quite some time. We just have to learn and apply that knowledge. So let's look at the top 10. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 1.23. We are still bearish, which later I'll just go to the technical charts. Ethereum is up by 2.34. USDT is down by 0.03. BNB is up by 5.95. ADA is down by 0.11. XRP is up by 0.46. Dogecoin is down by 0.17. USD is down by 0.03. Polkadot is up by 8.89, and Uniswap is up by 1.48. And our favorite coin, Solana, is up by 7.92. Let's head over to the yearly charts.
We should also cover the cake moving forward.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, good one. We should also look at cake. Yeah, so look at this 1 year. I always like to look at the 1 year or 6 months. It just gives you a kind of a step back from an eagle's eye point of view. Bitcoin is up by 202%, Ethereum 900%, BNB 2000%, Cardano 1003%. All right, we have XRP 274, Doge, of course, taking the lead with 9000%, Polkadot 365, Uniswap 300, and we have Solana, which this year was their good run, which is 4900%. So great percentage, guys. Most likely I have to do some research in the next, most likely live. I will show you the macros of gold, commodities, the stock market, and cryptocurrency. And the idea is to actually share with you guys that although we are in the adoption phase, although we have just started, we are only at a $1.4 trillion compared to gold, compared to bonds, and all the forex market. So not many people are coming into this space, not many. So the potential is there for us when we have that window or period before policies comes in and governance, and then we will go back to the age of earning maybe less than 8% per annum, right? So take this opportunity to make money, learn, grow, and move forward.
Yeah, the learning is more important because don't take cryptos as a a gambling kind of like something we just invested, and when the it goes up we will sell it out. Understand the technicalities, understand the project behind that cryptos, then it will
Right.
be more useful for you.
Right.
Yeah.
And soon it will be accepted as another asset class, right? We have four. We have paper asset, real estate,
Gold and
commodities,
commodities.
and
Digital.
yeah. Now will
Now
be
it's a digital. Yeah.
right. It's one of the highest now percentage growth, and it should be part of your portfolio. Not everything. So always have a spread, because myself and Manish will go back to the stock market. We have identified passive income dividends from great stock companies, but because they are inflated in their PE ratio, we are not investing. We are just waiting for the federal government to increase the interest rate, which will happen in 2023, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And then that might pop the market, right? So when that happens, then the flow of money, the wealth will get transferred, and where will they go? They will run to silver, gold, oil, wood, cryptocurrency, and then by that time, you guys will already be in the right position to cash in on the money. So that's something that you have to look at. Let's go to the technical. So on the technical side of things, I just decided to add today so it gives some clarity. And we always look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin takes like 50% of the dominance, and all other coins is a fork, or all other coins is a copy of Bitcoin with a specific edge in the crypto space. So when I look at this, right now we are getting rejected on Bitcoin at the 36,000. We have good support between 30 to 31,000. If we break the 36,000, we'll be moving up to the 40, which is more of a psychological resistance there. If we break that, then we'll see a very nice, maybe cautiously a fake out, meaning it almost seems like a bull run, but we gotta be careful, right? Because if you look at the last 10 years, the Bitcoin should not be in the bull until sometime in September, towards Christmas, towards December, right? So October, right up to December. So gotta always be cautious. And if we break down below 30, which so far it's been bouncing, we will see the next, which almost similar to what Kiyosaki mentioned, which was 24,000. And we break
24,000.
that, of course, we will drop to the 19. I don't know whether we will go anything lower than 19. But if we do, again, we can acquire more coins. Great news for us as average investors, because we all, we are just waiting to pump in more money and to acquire more, right? So Bitcoin is to acquire, do dollar cost average, and yeah. And yeah, that's all I have for the news.
I probably would like to share some more information.
Sure.
Let me share that. Okay. People want to know how to buy this coin. All right. Okay. So, how you can buy this coin? I think I got a message that how to buy this coin. As I mentioned, this coin has a direct buying feature here using your credit card, but the best way is use your Pancakeswap. This is the powerful exchange where you can connect your wallet, something you can connect to your trust wallet. I've just connected here. Use your Binance Smart Chain coin to swap it with baby Dodge and import it. Understand? And that's all. If you have existing cryptos in your account, you'll be able to select this max and then enter the amount which you want to buy it, and just click. You'll be able to buy this.
Manish, so after they purchase this, they can see it in the trust wallet, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If this pancake they are connecting with the trust wallet, they'll be able to see in a trust wallet. If they are connecting with the MetaMask, they'll be able to see in a
Right.
MetaMask wallet.
Okay.
And they can also connect their hardware wallet also. So if
Right.
they want to see in the hardware wallet, or they want to keep their cryptos in a hardware wallet,
Right.
they'll be able to see that.
Okay.
All right, so let me show you the interesting thing which we have invested yesterday. Okay, we are doing a setup pool staking. We have invested so far, and just one day, I think, correct, right? One day before we have invested this
Yeah.
many cake we have bought over, and cake earned in just one day, it's around half the cake. So probably we are looking for our investment to make one cake per day, which will be around $16 per day. And then this cake has a potential to grow further also. So that's all. And I was also telling you how to check the contract mm, for this. What you have to do, copy address, copy this contract address here. Since this crypto is hosted on, it's a part of Binance Smart Chain, so you have to go to Binance Smart Chain scan and put the address down here of your contract and search. You'll be able to see the information about this contract, all this transaction history. So currently you can see the values in 20 seconds ago somebody have bought over. All this information you'll be able to see. Okay. Token tracker, you have a contractor creator informations, that address you'll be able to see. Then you have a creator txn hash values, that information you'll be able to see. And all the transaction you'll be able to see here. See, contract is already verified here, so you can see the contract information. If you are not able to see, let me make it a little bit bigger here. So this is the contract source code. See, look at that, how transparent they are. And the compiler version also they are giving you in a details. So this is a technical side, but you should be at least aware how it works. Analytics, since it's launched just 2 week back, you will not have much data, but you can see some good spike down here. Okay, so these are all the comments from the GitHub users and Binance Smart Chain users. All this information, the comment you will be able to see down here. It shows how much trust people has it. And it's not a marketing for this crypto. I am just showing you technicality of this coin. Okay, so that's all. And if you are,
So we have some questions coming in.
yeah, if you are looking for some kind of blog post, we have our website here, rootzones.net. We are sharing all the how to's, information about the exchange platform, cryptos, and stocks. Do log on to rootzones.net. Okay, and this is our merchandise in case if you interested in a crypto related merchandise. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So Swami has some questions. Okay, yeah, good on you, Swami, on the on investing 1,004 and making 1,000 USD profit. Pretty new to crypto. Yep. So if you are new, you can always head down to the root zones. Let me just share this screen here on the YouTube side of things. Right. We have all learn crypto investing, everything that we speak about, and of course when we meet people, we will be posting it here. All the how-tos are here, right? So you have Bollingers, you have how we do the lock staking, how do you analyze Bitcoin chart. Manish covered Binance.sg. You have simple moving averages to find out the depth cross. I gave the comparison between the SMA and EMA, right?
Welcome, Rajveer.
You have 3 steps to transfer DBS to Binance, right? And also how to prepare for a market crash. This market crash is not so much for crypto. It is really to look at how the US dollar is being printed on year, and that how the US government or the Feds is actually buying corporate junk bonds in order to not have the bubble to be popped. Because when that bubble pops, then cash becomes trash, and we have to find other ways to actually go beyond the inflation, right? The rest of it, of course, is all covered here. This is mostly all the live, and the reason for live, the intent basically is more on the, you got to know the trends, and we cover some of the top trending news. Most of the news we don't cover because mostly it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which we don't need, and that is being reflected in the market.
And Also, we have almost the video shooting is done for the Binance tutorial.
Mm.
I just need to finish the editing. We'll be publishing it. So those who are new or beginner, the entire Binance course, a mini course, is going to be launched soon.
Swami, for analyzing trends, yeah, I might do that on how to actually create the find out where's the resistance, where is the support, and you can apply this to any even in stock market, even in forex and all that, because
Yeah, the
technical
fundamental is
indicators.
more important. If you understand the fundamentals, you'll be able to apply in a cryptos. You'll be able to apply in a stock market as well.
Right. So we always talk about the four things, right? In any investment, regardless whether it's real estate, crypto, gold, silver, even a project, right? It's fundamentals, technicals, risk management, cash flow management. So these four things is very important. And of course, if you're doing projects, always find out who is the one that is financing it. Um, Pancake is good for short term or long term. So Pancake is for us personally is long term. Our strategy is basically to create passive income, and we will park that money. Let me give you an example. So example, I put 10,000 US dollars worth of Pancake, and I'm generating 2,000 US dollars. Off the top of 2,000 US dollars, I'll put into the 50 40 10, right? Which is 50% Bitcoin, 40% altcoins, and of course 10%, which is Doge, Shiba, or any other meme coins that you like. If you want to eliminate the 10%, then keep it 50-50. And the reason is some of the altcoins have a potential to hit 1,000 over percent, which you can then get the capital and buy Bitcoin to keep. So yes, it is long term in our opinion. We always are looking for cash flow, right? There's only two things: capital appreciation and cash flow.
So we are going to get both here, right?
Yep,
Capital
we're going to get
appreciation
both.
as well as the cash flow.
Right. Maybe if I were to share a bit more, Manish purchased it at 13. Today it's at 16. That's capital appreciation of $3 per coin. And then every day we are getting 0.5 as of now, right? Based on our investment. So that is passive.
$10, yeah.
Okay. Hi, Raj. Sorry, I just scrolling through the questions. Okay. I have one from Instagram is asking Manish on the baby Dodge. Okay, the link. So the link, yeah, we will post it. Sorry, if you're on Instagram, maybe you can just join us on YouTube and Facebook. Manish actually shared the link. Manish, I think later in the Telegram group, just paste it.
Yeah, I'll share the.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, US dollars. Yeah, okay, US I don't have the screen now. Let me see if I can just share this. Somebody's asking about the US dollars. Guys, I did cover this. This let me share. So there is a screen right here on market crash. Show you where is this. So I actually covered the past. I covered the QE, right, which is quantitative easing that the Fed government is doing, and I've covered the future, what to look for in the future. There's 5 innovations that you guys need to know, especially when you're in the tech field. This was covered by Cathy Woods. Cathy Woods is one of the visionaries. She works very much closely with Elon. Also, she's a supporter of Bitcoin, and she showed a lot of things that is up and coming in the next 5 years that we should know that they will become a disruptor. I've covered the recent of market crashes, right? For until the recent one, which was COVID. So there are charts here. These are all public knowledge. I've even covered the definition, right? What it means. Market correction is 10%. A bear market is 20%. A crash is 35%. So sometimes when we read the news, we people use the word crash very loosely. But when you look at the market, it's not even a crash. It's just a bear market. So, and then I've covered recession and depression. I have showed the history, right? I showed the history of crashes. And I showed also the correlation of the GDP. Because even how fearful it was, The GDP never had. I think one of the year we went into negative, but other than that, yeah, we import and export was, the most they say economic expanded or economic shrink, right? I've covered. Let me just scroll through all of this. Yeah, so I showed how the PE ratio of companies. If you look at the PE or ratio, the median is actually about 20, right? But here you are seeing 33. Look at Tesla. If you check Tesla, it's about 600 over, right? Look at Tesla. Crazy. So these are things that because the reason is the fiat money being pumped into circulation through the fractional reserve, right? So for those of you who want to know about fractional reserve banking, basically in the US and also in Singapore, right, you got to keep certain amount as savings, and when you keep it as savings, the banks will actually 10x on your savings. They can loan out more money, so they are basically printing money and floating, right? So Sheila, look at Sheila. Any company should have a median of 15%, right? But if you look at Microsoft, Amazon, they are doing really high, crazy stuff. This is the S&P 500. It's a good gauge to measure the corporate companies, looking at the macroeconomics. So you have the housing bubble, 911, and of course, recently with the pandemic, right? So how that affects, what is this? Federal fund rate. So this is the interest rate. Currently, Trump, this was during Obama's time, and then Trump came in. Trump started to raise the interest rate, and then it got shut down because of COVID. So we are back to zero. So all of these have certain implications, and this is a breakdown. One of the implications is losing the house. So a house that you took loan with cheap money to purchase ends up being you will not able to pay the rental when the interest rates goes up, right? So that's something. Yeah. So check this out. Look at this. This is the printing of in just recent months. So that tells you a lot, and you know that the $1 trillion debt also, right? So something to learn about the markets. I just kept it very simplified. So that's all I have. Hope it was helpful. So thanks guys, thanks for joining us. We'll see you again, same time, same channel. Manish?
Yep. We see you tomorrow. And if you have any further questions, as usual, please let us know.
Awesome. Take care.